Why need to delete Kik account? It is important to highlight that opting to just erase application is not always a safe option. If you do not have an effective solution at hand that ensures nobody will be able to retrieve application and somehow get into account due to password being saved. How to delete Kik account from smartphone and PC. How to delete Kik account from smartphone. Open Kik app. Go to settings your account. Choose reset Kik. Enter email for deactivation link. Check email. Click link to deactivate. Uninstall Kik app. How to delete Kik account from PC. Go to https://www.ws.kik.com/deactivate. Enter your registered email address. Click Go and check your email. Click the confirmation link. Choose a reason and delete your Kik account. Permanently erase Kik account on iPhone with iOS Data Eraser 1001 recoverable. If you value personal information, it is best to ensure a permanent deletion of app with the aid of first-class software, such Mobican Eraser for iOS. Follow the steps below to remove unwanted ringtones from iPhone in batches. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to computer. Step 2. Select security level you need. Step 3. Start to delete Kik account from iPhone.